Manga's silent sounds? They're your brain's secret language. These visual effects aren't just loud, they're emotional cheat codes. The last one will blow your mind. A bold dawn isn't just a thud, it's a profound impact, making you feel the weight of the action. And Doki Doki isn't just a heartbeat, it's intense anxiety or blossoming love, directly felt. Plus, Go Go isn't just a rumble, it's a looming threat, bringing the entire world to life visually. Japanese onomatopoeia characters are visually distinct, often becoming part of the art itself, not just text.